idea. Just green screen.
Back at the spot where I caught the PV largemouth right there, but we're gonna focus on the upper section this time. See how it goes.
Yep.
Alright guys, the first thing before we go up, we're obviously gonna go fish that spot where I caught the big 5-pound largemouth. So let me reel this in. Matt's still getting in, so I'm gonna cut in front of him. Just, you know, be mean. Also have my normal paddle again, so time to get soaking wet. There's a ledge like right up here that they like to swim through.
Oh wait.
What?
I forgot something.
What'd you forget?
My sunglasses.
I might pick up the jerkbait real quick. We might see a muskie today. Got one. On the jerkbait. Yeah. Oh, he's really good. Unless that's just the big jerkbait. I can't see him at all, so I can't tell. Oh no, he's good. Yeah. He's probably like 3 pounds. No, probably like 2.5. Oh. Don't shake. Oh no, he might be 4. Dude, he was barely hooked. Same spot. That's crazy. Oh. If I can get this out, there we go. 18.5. 18.5. Oh, well, I'm glad he didn't just fall in. Why does it always go to 3 ounces? 0. Wait, what is 0? Why? That's not fine. There we go. 3.11. There we go. Let's get a release. Come on. Yep, we're fighting. Go ahead. There you go. Alright guys, I paddled up to the top. It looks very good. It's a little shallow over there, but that's where it's kind of fast moving. We don't really want to fish there anyways. But right here it looks great. It's got great structure so far. This spot looks awesome. This looks great. Well guys, we floated up, but honestly the water didn't, or floated up. We paddled all the way up to the rapid and the water honestly did not look that great. It's too fast moving. Might be good for springtime kind of thing, but right now, nah. But there is the creek goes in a little bit right there. You could see where it would be going in if the water was up and meets with the actual creek, but it comes out right over here, and it's a little deeper over there and slow moving, so we're gonna try to fish that. But up there was just really fast moving. Well, I switched to the jig and wasn't videoing because there was like absolutely no action, but of course that's when I catch one. Oh, stop flopping please, you're gonna make everything slimy. Oh, thank you. He's not bad. He might be 18. Yeah, I'm gonna say 17. $17 and a half. Yeah. Beautiful. You don't need to be revived. You were fine. Well, of course I caught it off video. Of course I caught it off video. I thought it was a snag at first. Switch back to the jig because that's the best thing to use on this river. Yeah, this spot, it's deeper but more rocky. I might have to put my gloves on. Got another one. Oh, he's better. Oh, no, he's not. He just had a little bit more fight in him. Dude, he's going crazy. Jesus. That's, get him like somewhere he didn't like. No. You said you thought I said largemouth? Ew, largemouth, nasty. Oh. There must be a hole right there. I'm about to put my gloves on.
Yeah, I might too.
If I don't catch a fish on this one, I'm gonna put my gloves on. I hope I'm not like accidentally doing only time-lapse videos. Imagine if I am. The video is gonna be like 2 seconds long. No, I'm good. Oh, these gloves are so warm. Bro, I've had my anchor down for like the past like mile. I didn't even realize because it was so deep. I'm dumb. I got a giant stick. Oh! Oh. This is like a great eddy. Why is there nothing just sitting in it? Oh. That's a good one. Oh, that's a... Oh, man, that might be... I can't see him. He's moving too fast. I can't see it. Where'd he go? Oh. I can't tell if he's big or not. He's all right. That's number 3. He's probably like 16. He's got like spines taken off of him.
Careful, don't get him too far.
You see him?
Huh?
Too far from what?
Like his jaw.
Oh yeah. But you see his spines?
Yeah.
All right, lunch break's over, Matt. Are you gonna catch a fish today or what?
No, I'm not.
You wanna go home?
Yes.
Okay, well, get on the river. If you jump in, I'll buy you splunkers.
Really?
Yeah.
Like how far?
Like head deep. Like fully submerge yourself.
Without clothes?
Doesn't matter.
Can I take them off?
Doesn't matter. I caught another one off camera, guys. He's the smallest of the day. Matt's still jealous because he hasn't caught one. It's okay. Where'd he go? He's gone. Whatever. I guess I can keep the camera on for a few minutes. We're just sitting in the middle, basically laying down, messing around for a while. And he said, let's go check out log jam. So I casted over to it and I caught one. What's up, guys? All right, to sum it all up, yesterday I caught 4 fish, 1 largemouth, 3 smallmouth. They were all pretty good size, but yeah, it was a good day, no matter what. Matt didn't catch anything, so I was joking around with him with that. But, you know, it happens sometimes, you get skunked. But yeah, if you like the video, like, subscribe, and if you ever need any fishing tackle, go down in my description and I'll put a link. Use my code at HookedAddict and you'll get some 15% off, I believe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.